Okay, today we're going to cook a very simple dish which is called Kuah Chelok in Malay, or rather sour fish soup in English. So what we require ingredients are, this is bird's eye chili, which is chili padi, and then this is lemongrass. This is preserved preserved chai sim. This one is garlic, and this tomato, and that onion, and this is tamarind water. So you take about 1 handful of tamarind and then put some water, but you may need to add more water later, because if you want more soup, then the water will have to be added more. Okay, and then that's it. We will go through the step-by-step cooking. Yeah. Okay, so to begin with, we'll need one ladle of oil. So okay, and then first we will put in garlic. So this garlic is about 3 cloves of garlic. So put in the garlic first and let it a little bit brown. And okay, so now this is already a little bit brown, so you put in the onions and chili, and then the lemongrass. Okay, so the onion is about half of the onion. If you want to put more, it's fine, you can put more onions in there. And the bird's eye chili, you can put more if you want spicy. Okay, then you need this too, the blended items ingredient, the garlic, ginger and onion, all blended item takes about 2 spoonfuls. Then followed by the blended chili. You take about 1 spoonful blended chili. Blended chili, which is the dried chili, if you blend. Okay. If you want to know the procedure of how to blend the chili, you can just boil the dried chili first and then blend it once the dried chili has been boiled and softened. Yeah, that's it, nothing else, just blend. Now you put in the ikan bilis cube, 1 ikan bilis cube. So as usual, this ikan bilis cube, this brand ikan bilis cube, and then followed by 1 teaspoonful of turmeric powder. Okay, next is the tamarind water. So put in the tamarind water, and we may need more because this is too little. Okay, put in more tamarind water. Okay, 1 more tamarind water. So all together I've used 3 bowls of tamarind water. Okay, so make sure that you have used up all the tamarind, but not the seeds. Okay, leave the seeds aside because it's going to be difficult to eat. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now I'm going to put the fish head. Look, so it's looking at you now. Hello. So we're going to put it in. So you see, because it's not, you have to keep turning it because the water is not enough, so you have to keep turning it. But because we don't want to waste as well, because we don't have many members in the family, so we do not wish to waste the soup. So this is more than enough for us. Yeah, need to turn it, and then make sure that both sides got boiled. Okay, so there you go. So this, you can use all kinds of fish. You can use red snapper, you can use batang fish, you can use any kind of fishes that you like to put in. Okay, it doesn't have to be this same kind of fish, greasy or whatsoever, but you can use any kind of fishes. Okay, now after this you put in the garnishing, so which is the preserved chai sim, and then the tomato. Okay, tomato. So preserved chai sim, for some who like it, you can put in, but if you don't like it, it's okay, that's fine, you don't need to put it. So as long as you have the soup, and then you can put in the salt and as well as the ajinomoto. So salt is 1, 2 teaspoon. Teaspoon, not tablespoon. Yeah, teaspoon. And then 1.5 of Ajinomoto. Okay, a little bit of sugar, just like that, about 1 teaspoon sugar. That's it. And okay, happy cooking. Have a nice day. Have fun. Bye.